Hello to all Skill Tips subscribers. We're back with another FL Studio tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely delete an automation in FL Studio, so you can prevent any unexpected changes in your mix. But first, let's quickly talk about what automation actually is. Automation in FL Studio is a way to automatically change parameters over time, instead of manually adjusting a knob or fader during playback. You can set it up so FL Studio handles those changes for you. Here is some common uses of automation include: changing the volume of an instrument or effect during a track, automating effect levels like reverb, delay, or filters, modifying synth parameters like cutoff or pitch, creating dynamics in a song, for example, build-ups and drops. Let's look at an example. I have a kick sample here. Let's put it in playlist. And then route it to mixer channel 1. Now in the mixer, I right-click the volume fader and select Create Automation Clip. As soon as it's created, you'll see an automation clip appears in the playlist. I'll make some quick changes to the automation and hit play. As you can see, the volume of channel 1 now changes automatically based on the automation. Now, how do we remove this automation? First, let's delete the automation clip from the playlist. But when we play the song, you'll notice the volume is still being affected. That's because the automation is still active in the background. There is a feature called Init Song with Disposition. Right-click the volume fader again and select that option. Now when we play the song, the volume stays fixed. But here's the issue. If we now manually change the volume, it resets back to the Init value every time we press play. That's because FL Studio locks the parameter to the initial value. So what if we want to completely remove that automation from the project? Here's the trick. Go to the browser panel on the left side of FL Studio. Find the section called Initialized Controls. This is where FL Studio stores all the active automations. You'll see the automation for mixer channel 1 listed there. Right-click it and choose Delete. Now, when we hit play, the volume stays exactly where we set it. No more hidden automation. And that's how you completely remove an automation in FL Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.